When you think of a serial killer and their behavior, do you think it stems from their self as a person, or could it actually be something much deeper than that? Could their biology actually be betraying them? There are 10 genes known as the warrior genes. These genes are at high risk for violence, aggression, and lack of empathy for others. Those are very common traits within a psychopath. Dr. Jim Fallon mentioned in his TED Talk that the gene MAOA is one of the most common found in psychopaths. It stems from the X chromosome, which is passed from a mother to a son only, because the X chromosome is not passed from a male to a male. But to express this gene in a violent manner, there has to be other damaging factors involved. Dr. Fallon also had a speech that is called The 3 Ingredients to Murder. Within that speech, he mentioned that the first ingredient would be the genetics, the second would be having damage to the orbital lobe, which is the frontal lobe, and it deals with ethics and impulse. The third ingredient would be abuse in the early childhood. Also mentioned in the TED Talk, he said it depends on when the damage occurs. But during his research, he found out that he actually had the brain patterns of a psychopath. But he had a loving childhood, so he was protected from that dangerous recipe being completed. In the article of Life as a Nonviolent Psychopath, he stated, "I never knew how profoundly an early environment could affect somebody." During his experience, he hopes to provide understanding to other people about the genetics, the dangers of genetics, and he would like to have, a psychopath would want to understand themselves more. Maybe this would be a route to helping them, getting them the help and the psychiatric help that they need. This could prevent factors from happening in the future. So, thank you.